Hello students. So in my last lecture, I have already discussed about the total internal reflection phenomenon. So in today's class, I will discuss about some examples of predictions of total internal reflection. Okay. Now, first of all, one prediction is mirage. Now, what is mirage? Now you will find where you will go for a straight path, okay, cold-blooded path, and you will find if you see from a very large distance, then you will see the straight path. You will see that you will see like a water, okay, from behind or from a certain distance apart. Okay, and in desert, when we see from a large distance, then we see in water like the image is from like in water. You see like a water. Okay, that is not actually correct. That is a optical illusion. Okay, optical illusion due to the total internal reflection. Now, what is mirage? Let's see. Mirage is that it is an optical illusion observed at desert and cold air road. I have already said that in cold air road, when you see from a infinite distance, that you will find that a large distance, you see like a water surface. Okay, from a distance. And same case in desert also. Desert also it will appear like a water. Okay. It will appear like a water when you see from a distance apart. Okay, when you go near to that water surface, then you will find that there is no water. That is an optical illusion. Okay, now how it will happen? Okay, now see, this is I consider is the desert. Okay, so I consider one thing, suppose this object. Now, in daylight, the surface of the desert will be very hot because it is full of sand. Okay? So, this surface will be very hot. If the surface will be very hot, that means temperature will increase. We already know that if the temperature increases, then density will decrease. Okay? Density will decrease. That means in the surface, at the surface of the desert, the density of air will be less as compared to the upper layer. Okay. Now, so this will be the denser medium, and this will be the at the surface of the desert. This will be the rarer medium. Now, when a ray came from the suppose this object, okay, this object, so it will be it is came like this, and after incident on this surface, since it is coming from denser, denser medium, it is rarer medium because okay, it is rarer medium. That means if temperature increase, the density will be less, so it will be rarer medium. So when the light is travel from the denser medium to rarer medium at certain angle, that means at certain angle, the angle of refraction will be more than 90 degrees. Okay, that means if the angle of incidence is more than critical angle, then the ray, then the total internal reflection will happen. Now in this case, when the ray coming from this denser medium to rarer medium, after if the angle of incidence is more than critical angle, then the total internal reflection will happen. That's why if a man is standing here, then he will see this image and will find it is a inverted image. That means when you see from a far distance apart, then you will find that it is a shadow in a water. Okay, we will find this from a far distance, we will see like a water. Okay, because it is free. If you see from far distance apart, then you will see that this is street and this is the shadow in water. Okay, so thus this is an optical illusion. Okay, so this is one application or one phenomenon occurred by the total internal reflection, that is mirage. Mirage is nothing but what is mirage? This is an optical illusion. Same like in a cold-hearted road also, because the cold-hearted road in daylight, the surface of the cold-hearted road will be more heated. If the heat temperature is more, then the density will be decrease of the air, density of air will decrease after that. So light coming from denser medium to rare medium, and after increase on the rare medium, it will reflect back because of total internal reflection. So we will find a optical illusion. We will see like a water surface. Okay, in cold-hearted road. Okay, this is one application. Now comes the second application, or it is one phenomenon. Come suppose all of you heard about the optical fiber, I think. Okay, nowadays it is very common to all of you know that geofiber. All of you heard about the geofiber. Actually, what is geofiber? Okay, fiber, optical fiber means there is there is very small optical pipe or a small pipe. Like pipe like this, like what? Just see. In optical fiber, there is 3 layers. Okay, 3 layers. Okay, so it is a very tiny pipe. So it is also 3 layers. The central layer is called core. Okay, the layer above the central layer is cladding, and the upper layer is consists of plastic. That means it is protect from damage. This plastic layer is protect from the damage. Now, what actually happen in optical fiber? Let's say suppose I draw here. Okay, so this is core. This is cladding. Now, in optical fiber, how does it happen? First of all, you have to know that the cladding is core. Okay, the core in case of optical fiber, the core is a denser medium and cladding is act as a rarer medium. Okay, rarer medium. Now what will happen? Let's see. Suppose okay, optical fiber. Now suppose a ray incident, a ray is entered like this in optical fiber. Okay, optical fiber. So if this incident angle is more than the critical angle, because the ray is going from denser to rarer medium. Okay, core is a denser medium, and cladding is rarer medium. So if the light goes from denser to rarer medium, and if the angle of incidence is more than the critical angle, then you will find that the light will reflected back along the same medium. So suppose this ray is incident on the cladding, and suppose we consider the angle of incidence is more than the critical angle. So what will happen? The light will come, light will reflect back. Again, since according to the laws of reflection, we know angle of incidence equals to angle of reflection. So again, this angle will be more than critical angle. Again, it will goes like this. Okay? Again, it will goes like this. Ultimately, it will came out from the other side of the optical fiber. Now, so this optical fiber is used in a communication purpose. Okay, we send a signal. That means we convert first. We have to convert the electrical any signal to a optical signal. After that, we send through it a optical fiber. It is very fast. Why it is very fast? Because as I have already in my previous lecture that in total internal reflection there is no loss of energy, because how the amount of light we have seen is totally internally reflected. Okay, there is no loss. Okay, so it is very fast. So the optical fiber, if you send a signal, optical signal through the optical fiber, okay, then it will traveling like this. Okay, and if this is the sender and the receiver is this is the signal the other end. So it is the one application of total internal reflection. Okay, this is the total internal reflection. Remember the thing that the core must be denser medium than the cladding. Core is denser medium and cladding is the rarer medium. And above the optical, the third coating is plastic, because the plastic is given to protect it or saving from the damage. Okay, so this is about the optical fiber. So nowadays you already know about the geofiber. All the geofiber is based on the optical fiber. Okay, they use optical fiber to transmit signal. Okay, that's why it is so fast. Okay, already got and it is very fast. So these are the two applications and or phenomena of the total internal reflection. Okay, there are more other phenomena, so just go through yourself, go through the application. Okay, so I'll give you the notes related to this media and optical fiber. So I hope all of you see my all the video lectures. As you know that the college is not still open. I think it will open this year. It is impossible, I think. Or if you open, then it will be like September. Maybe maybe it will open in July, August. So just don't waste your time. Okay, because time is there's no time for you for wasting. Okay, next year your 12th standard exam is there. So just don't waste the time and go through all the video lectures. Okay? Because college is not open, then it is not sure that it will open or not in this year. So you have to study by yourself. Okay? So just go through my video lecture, all the video lecture, and if you have any doubt, just give a call to me. Okay? So thank you very much. I hope all of you understand this. Okay, thank you.